Hello everyone, friends. Today on the channel I'll show how to use the fill command in Minecraft. So let's say I'm standing here and we can see x, y, z coordinates. Here are our x, y, z. We're writing it down in our chat, yes. In this case I have minus 1488, 72, and 1994. Next we've started here and want to fill all the space up to here. To do this, we open the chat again and type the fill command. Yes, if we have it. Then we write our first coordinates, 1488, 72. Just a second. Now, fill, we write our previous coordinates, 72, 1994. Next, we write the second coordinates. In my case, it's minus 1483, 81, 1985. And we write the block. In Minecraft, let's say I want a diamond block. Press enter, please. That's all. That's it for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.